represents something with a hummingbird. And so there is a legend of the hummingbird that I just want to read to you, and I really think that it represents her. Okay? It says, the hummingbird legend. The hummingbird represents great beauty, love, and harmony. The hummingbird is believed to be a joyful messenger spirit and a mysterious traveler. If he appears during a time of great sorrow and pain, healing will soon follow. Which nurses, we hope that we bring healing in the medical profession. The hummingbird is a hard and fast worker with boundless energy. It says you are wished joy, healing, and love. The hummingbird also tells the receiver that they bring joy into the giver's life. It symbolizes the fragility of nature and of all living things. The hummingbird teaches you to appreciate and love the miracle of living and to help you focus on the positivity in your life. Legend has it that this tiny bird is a rainbow or an inanimate prism busily turning sunlight into weightless jewels. So, we're using a great jewel.
Look at our best friend.
Celebrate Linda's retirement. And yeah. Cheers. Yeah.
May I just say that you have all been absolutely wonderful. I mean, like, I can't think of a nicer, more supportive, wonderful, professional people to work with.
I don't know.
Oh my God.
It's so big. Oh my God, it's so big. Wow. It's just beautiful.
I just want you all to carry on and do all the special things that you do for people, because each and every one of you are so special with your patients, and you talk to them and you communicate with them, and we're so blessed to have you all. Thank you.